Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Factorize and polynomial is given. So 6b to the power 5 minus 294b. What we can do is we can write this first term as 6b multiplied by b to the power 4, and we can write the second term as minus 6b multiplied by 49. When 294 when factorized and divided by 6, we get 49. So now we can take 6b common out of both. So we get 6b to the power 4 minus 49. Now if we observe the bracket, this looks like a square minus b square, where a is equal to b square and b is equal to 7. Now this is, let's see, what we can do is we can factorize a square minus b square to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So 6b multiplied by b square plus 7, b square minus 7. Now this is complete factorization of given polynomial.